Let me guess, you're overwhelmed by this whole content creation thing. Everyone is telling you need to post videos, start a blog, or maybe even launch a podcast. Meanwhile, you're sitting there thinking, do I look like I have time for all that? Well, don't stress because today I'm breaking down the three types of content: visual, written, and audio. And showing you which one makes the most sense for your business. And the best part, you don't need to do it all. Just the one that works best for you. Let's figure it out together. I don't know what your million are, but I know that you dedicate your time and effort into many business. I mean, 2 hours of your time every day for the next 7 days. I guarantee you will make money in 20 days, irrespective of your industry. All you have to do is turn your passion or expertise into profit just by leveraging the power of AI to build and monetize a successful faceless YouTube. In my course, Creating and Monetizing a Faceless YouTube Channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create high-quality content effortlessly, proven methods to grow your channel, and monetize into affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just get ready to transform your creativity into a revenue stream. Enroll now and start your faceless empire. Special discounts for my subscribers. The link is on the description. All right, let's be honest. As a small business owner, you've probably thought, do I really need to do all this content stuff? And then the next thought hits, do I need to write blog, post videos, or start a podcast? Before you know it, you are Googling, do small business owners need therapy? Yes, but today we are going to sort out the content chaos first. All right, let's start with the eye catcher, visual content. I'm talking videos, graphics, and photos. It's like the cool kid in school who shows up with the designer shoes. Everyone notices. Next up, written content, blogs, emails, and captions. It's like the nerdy studios kid who doesn't say much but always get top grade. And finally, audio, podcast, and voiceovers. This is like that smooth talking friend who can sell anything to anyone, effective and persuasive. Each has its perks, but which one is right for you? Let's break them down. People love visuals. A killer video can say more in 60 seconds than an essay ever could. Videos and photos are perfect for showing off product or demonstrating services. People want to see it to believe it. Though it's time consuming, editing can turn into a black hole that eats your day. Gear can get expensive unless you're rocking your smartphone like a pro. Imagine you own an eatery, a video showing the process of you making correct pepper chicken. Now, into written content. It's budget friendly. All you need is a keyboard and your thoughts. Great for SEO. Blogs and caption can help you get found on Google or social media. Though it's time intensive, writing a blog takes effort and research, but not everyone loves reading, especially in the TikTok era. Let's say you're a personal trainer writing a blog on 5 exercises to crush belly fat. Great for SEO, but if you're like, I don't even like writing my grocery list, then this might not be for you. And now into audio content. Podcasts are trending. People love tuning in while driving or working out. It's personal. Hearing your voice builds trust and connection. Editing audio isn't as simple as it seems. Your reach might be limited if your audience isn't into podcasts. Picture this: you're a business coach hosting a podcast called 5 Minute Business Boost. It could help you connect with busy entrepreneurs. But if you hate the sound of your own voice, you might cringe every time you hit record. So now let's move on to how to decide which content type fits your business. Step 1: know your audience. Ask yourself, where are your customers hanging out? If they are scrolling Instagram, visual content are your go-to. If they are on LinkedIn, written content might win. Step 2: play to your strength. Are you a talker? Go for audio. Love being on camera? Visual is your thing. Hate them both? Writing is your best friend. Step 3: consider your resources. Got time but no money? Start with written content. Got money but no time? Hire a freelancer or invest in simple video tools. And now, combining content types. You don't have to pick just one. Start with one and repurpose it. Record a podcast, then turn it into a blog. Make a video and then turn it into clips for social media. It's like a content buffet. You can mix and match. At the end of the day, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing what works for you and your business. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, content creation isn't about perfection. It's about connection. Now, go out there and make something amazing. And now, if this video helped you figure out your content game plan, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to growing your business. And hey, tell me in comment, what type of content are you diving into first? See you in the next video.
Like and subscribe.
I don't know what your New Year resolutions are, but I know that if you dedicate your time and effort into learning these skills, I mean, 2 hours of your time every day for the next 7 days, I guarantee you will make money in 2025, irrespective of your industry. All you have to do is turn your passion or expertise into profit just by leveraging the power of AI to build and monetize a successful faceless YouTube channel. In my course, Creating and Monetizing a Faceless YouTube Channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create high quality content effortlessly, proven methods to grow your channel for free, and monetize with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just get ready to transform your creativity into a revenue stream. Enroll now and start your faceless empire. Special discounts for my subscribers. The link is on the description.